Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Rishi Pranaya at Rajarat New Town. You can see this is a actual model flat of 2 BHK, 642 square feet carpet area and 954 square feet sellable area or super built up area. Now come inside. This is the living cum dining hall of this 2 BHK. L pattern living cum dining with beautiful light and air. And come this side. So on the living, a balcony is adjacent to the living hall. So this is the balcony space. So you can see the space in the balcony. And look at outside. This is the experience center of our project. So this is 4 feet wide balcony. And now come inside again. So this is the space of dining, living cum dining hall. So the space of living cum dining, the dining is only 8.3 into 6.4, and now you can see this side. This is the kitchen space. So come inside the kitchen space. So this is the kitchen space along with this beautiful countertop, and with this kitchen space you will be having a dry balcony space. So this is the dry balcony with a beautiful window. All exhaust points and electrical fittings will be given with beautiful tile selection, and the size of this kitchen is 11.2 into 6. Now come this side. So in front of you, you can see this is the common washroom. So come. So this is the common washroom space with separate space for bath, a wall mount commode space and a basin area, and beautiful tile selection. And the size of this toilet is 5 feet into 7.2. Now come this side. On my right hand side, this is the first bedroom or master bedroom. You can see the beautiful master bedroom. The master bedroom is of 14.4 into 11 feet, almost a square size master bedroom with having windows on both the side. And not only that, a huge wardrobe space like this. And see the view from the window. This is the view from the window. You can clearly see the Eden Court, Tata Eden Court, just back side of our project, and this is the boundary wall of our project. And now see this side. This bedroom is having attached toilet space. So come inside. This is the attached toilet of this bedroom. So with separate space for bath, a wall mount commode space and a basin area this side. The size of this toilet is 6.7 into 5. So now come this side. We are entering into the lobby space again, and we are again entering to the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom space. Beautiful second bedroom with having windows on both the side again. So come inside. And with this bedroom also you will be having a big size wardrobe space and the size of this bedroom is 10.9 into 10.6, almost a square size bedroom. And come this side again, this is another great view from the window. So outside is Newtown periphery, just backside of this project. And this side, from this window, you can also see the construction status of the project. Construction is going on full swing. So it's a 2 BHK apartment, actual flat. So if you are interested, then please call us, and please share the video, subscribe this channel for further updates, and for any further inquiry, please call at the number given below. We are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses. Thanks a lot for watching.